In the previous story, we saw about liberal demands, Frankfurt Parliament, women excluded, the revolts failed but sparked reforms across Europe. Shall we dive into our present story? Once upon a time, in the land of Germany, there were many small kingdoms like puzzle pieces, each ruled by its own prince. People who spoke German lived in all these places, but there were not one united nation yet. Many middle class Germans wanted to bring German regions together, one country ruled by parliament. But the king, army, and big landowners in Prussia, called Junkers, stopped this idea. Otto von Bismarck entered into the story. A strong, clever, and serious man named Otto von Bismarck in 1848. He was not a poet or a protester. He was the chief minister of Prussia, which is one of the strongest German kingdoms. Bismarck made a plan with Prussian army and government officers to unite Germany by force. Bismarck led Germany through 3 wars in 7 years. War with Denmark. This war is taken place to take back German-speaking lands. War with Austria is to remove their control over German states. War with France is the final fight that shocked the complete Europe. And the shocking thing is, Prussia won all of them. It was a cold January morning in 1871 in a grand palace of Versailles, deep inside France. The royal hall of mirrors was filled with German princes, powerful generals, Otto von Bismarck himself, and the proud King William I of Prussia. They proclaimed the German Empire with William I as the new emperor, which is Kaiser, and Bismarck stood by his side, silent but victorious. Now that Germany was united, it needed a strong system. So after unification of Germany, the government quickly worked on a new currency, that is money, modern banks, fair laws and courts. Other German regions often followed the rules and systems used in Prussia. This is how Germany was unified. So if you like this video, please like it. And if you did not, do dislike it. But please comment why you did not like it. And if you know anyone from 10th grade, do share this to them so that they will also find it helpful and will be able to retain these lessons for a longer time. And if you are still not able to grasp the names and years in this, please do watch it again 2 or 3 times so that you will be able to remember it easily. And also, if you want the PDF of the story, do comment in the comment box with your contact number so that we will be able to share you. And also, if you want the Telugu version of this, do check it in my channel. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.